Let us answer the given expression for number 1 to 5. So for number 1 to 5, this is multiplying. Okay, so to multiply first, multiply the numerical coefficient. After getting the product of the numerical coefficient, our next step is to identify if the given variables are similar. Kapag parehas yung variable natin, anong gagawin? Just copy the variable and then add the exponent. Okay, for number 1. First, multiply the numerical coefficient. 15 times 3. 45. Okay, then after that, we have the same variable. Yes, copy the given variable. Then add the exponent. 4 plus 9. 13. Okay, therefore, this is the answer for number 1. Okay, number 2. 2 times 3. 6. Meron po bang common? Anong common variable nila? Y and X. Step 2, copy the same variable. Then step 3, add the exponent. Okay, we have, what do you think will be the exponent here? Okay, imaginary 1 plus 2. 3. Then 2 plus 3. Okay, therefore this is 3. Okay, next for number 3. Okay, what is the numerical coefficient here? 1. So 2 times 1. 2. Then copy the same variable. What are the same variable?
X1.
2 plus 2? 4. 1 plus 3?
4.
Okay, answer. Number 4. Negative 2 times positive 3.
Negative 6.
Okay, negative 6. Okay, next. X cubed times X cubed. What we're going to do? Just copy the variable, then add the exponent. 3 plus 3? 6. And then copy the base again or the variable. Then 4 plus 2. 6. Therefore, this is the answer. Then for number 5, negative 5 times negative 2.
10.
Positive 10. Then we have the same variable also. We have X and Y. After that, add the exponent. 3 plus 4.
7.
2 plus 5.
7.
Okay, therefore, this is the
7 times 10.